Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Windows 11 official from Microsoft on supported computers, laptops and everything. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so as you know, Windows 11 when it was released in the first place, it has very strict hardware requirements. That's the reason why Microsoft Windows 11 microshare is very less as compared to Windows 10. It's a great operating system, no doubt, but the strict requirements from Microsoft is holding up its potential because most people are just like happy with Windows 10 actually. And in this video, we're just going to be installing Windows 11 on supported hardware. And in this video, I'm going to first also show you find out if your computer is supported or not. There are a lot of Microsoft requirements. I will show it in the video screen right now. You can write that by default by yourself, and you can manually find if your computer is compatible with Windows 11 or not. But there are two ways to find it. Actually, the first one is if you go into your computer settings, and then in about update and security, here you will see get ready for Windows 11. And this version of Windows is I've installed it currently. It's completely new, so Microsoft hasn't given me the Windows 11 update by default. So on here you will see if your computer is Windows 11 ready or not. So one thing is this, and the other thing, if you need to find out best ways to download their Microsoft official software just to find out if your computer is really compatible with Windows 11 or not. Its name is PC Health Check app. I've given it this official Microsoft website for downloading this software in the video description. After downloading the software, just install it, accept the license agreements, click on install. It's a very fairly small software, I guess 15 to 16 megabytes. Okay, so the software is installed, open. We have checked on it, so just click on finish, and now it will launch the application by itself that we just installed. As you can see, PC Health Check app. Now what you need to do is you just gonna click on introducing Windows 11. You just have to click on check now to find out. Okay, as you can see, this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Great news, Windows 11 is free and blah blah, but the main thing is Windows 11 is supported on this computer. So now we're 100% sure that we can install Windows 11 on this computer. Supposedly we're not going to be having any issues. And so first of all, what you need is a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. As you can see, I've got this one. Any USB drive that you have, it should be at least 8 gigabytes, can become official Windows 11 installation drive. What you're just gonna need, you're gonna go into Microsoft website. I've given its link in the description as well. It's the official Microsoft website. You have to go there. You have to download the Windows 11 ISO image file, and then you have to burn it on your USB drive. If you want to know how to do it, everything step by step in a video, I've already made that video. I will drop a link in the description and in the cards here somewhere, and you can watch the video of how to making that USB drive. Any USB drive can become Microsoft official Windows 11 setup wizard. Alright, I hope now you're with me and you've got the Windows bootable drive. What you're gonna need is you're gonna just turn off your computer, and then you have to plug in the USB drive and restart it into BIOS. As you can see, the computer is powered off and I have plugged in the USB drive. You're just gonna need to turn on your computer, and then you have to press your boot manager. And if you don't know how to go to your boot manager, you can just Google it simply with just your brand laptop name. As in my case, I'm using a Lenovo. Just search for example, Lenovo boot key, or if you have a computer like Dell HP boot key, it should be combinations or it should be just a single key. In my case, it's just a single key. I have to just press F12 continuously after turning on the computer to get into the boot manager. Here can be delete, F2, F1, escape, or anything. Alright, you just have to look at that up. So just for me, I'm just turning on the computer and then I have to keep pressing F12. As you can see, I'm in my boot manager, and then you just have to select your USB drive. As you can see, I have my Kingston Data Traveler 3.0 USB drive. I have to just click on that, and then the process will start. Now it's booting up into the setup wizard from our USB drive. We are on the setup, guys. Just have to click next, and install Windows 11, and then you have to click on I agree, everything will be deleted, which already told you that everything on your phone and your computer will be deleted. You just have to click, you should just back up everything before selecting that, and then you just have to click next. Alright, now it's asking for a product key. If you have a product key, you can enter it here. If you don't have, like mine, I don't have it, so just have to click I don't have a product key, so click on that. So now you have to select a version of Windows you want to install. I'm going with Windows 11 Pro. You can select any version you want. Just click on that and then click next. Now you have to accept the agreement, so just click accept. So now what you need to do is you're going to select the partition at which you want to install Windows. Right now it's just saying disk 0 and disk 1. It's because this disk 0 is my internal SSD and disk 1 is my USB drive. Don't ever touch the USB drive, the disk 1 which says your USB name, because if you do anything wrong with the USB drive, if you mistakenly remove the or format the USB drive, it is the main media, and if you do that, you're gonna not be able to install Windows and you will be stuck in between. So just don't do anything with disk 1. Alright, and if you are installing on disk 0, you have to remove or delete every partition, which means you just select that partition and then simply click delete partition. So now you have to click other partition and you just do this with the rest of disk 0. After you removed all of those partitions, it will just say disk 0 unallocated space, which is 238.5 gigabytes. So just click, you have to just click on that, you select that partition. It is actually the whole disk right now because you're not seeing any other partition of disk 0. Then you just click on click partition. Alright, so just click on apply. After that, the main partition will be selected, disk 0 partition 3. It might create some other partitions, so don't have to delete those. These are for system to work properly. Just have to, your disk will be selected, which one be the largest, and would say type as primary. So you have to click on select it, which is what's going to be obviously selected by itself, but you just click on next. Then now it's telling us everything. We are ready to install. We're going to be installing Windows 11 and we're going to keep nothing, which means the whole data will be removed, so you have to back up everything before that, and then just simply click install. Now Windows is installing. As you can see, installing Windows 11. Your PC will restart several times, and here's the progress. So as you can see, it's restarting. It's going to restart several times. Don't remove your USB drive till you see the setup screen for your Windows. Alright, so again, installation is saying it's not installing again. So it also says your computer might restart a few times. And make sure if you're using a laptop, it's plugged in, because in the process, if your computer gets turned off, your battery gets drained, there are a lot of problems that can happen. So it's better to just plug in your computer. Alright, now it's restarting again. As you can see, the installation was completed. So here we are, guys, on our Windows setup screen. So now you just have to complete setup. Alright, Windows 11 desktop, as you can see, it's the start menu. Obviously by start menu and the taskbar you can see it's Windows 11, but let me just confirm it by typing in WinRAR. So here's on WinRAR. As you can see, Windows 11 version 24.2, and we have successfully installed it on our computer, and everything is working perfectly fine. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If really, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching.